Hey guys, what's up? So I'm super excited. Today I'm going to be installing my dash cam. I bought me a little early Christmas gift. It's tiny. It's got a front and back facing camera. I just need to find myself an SD card. Then I'm going to start uploading some awesome little drives that I do and show you a little bit more about EV driving and how quiet the drive is. I'm really putting the car to the test. I'm super excited. Check in just now for an update. Ciao. Hey guys, what's up? So I've managed to install this awesome little dash cam. It's a lot smaller than I thought. You can see over there, it's pretty cool. I managed to run the wiring all down the sort of the door insulation and then up underneath the steering wheel and then back in, so the camera or the cables are nice and hidden. I'm pretty excited. Do still need the SD card. It needs a high speed SD card to install, which you don't have at home. So I need to order one of those or go to the shops and get one of those guys. Then we're up and running. So for now, for the next week or two, it's pretty much just going to be an eyesore all there at the moment. But I'm super stoked. Ciao.